Morning student, welcome to online classes. Student, today we are going to turn on class 3rd, subject maths, exercise 3rd. First of all, today we will get study to get about the place value and phase value. So firstly today we will read. Children, let's see about what is place value and phase value. Phase value the phase value of a digit is its individual value itself. The phase value of a digit is its individual value itself. For example, in the number 3420, the phase value of 0 is zero, and the next the phase value of 2 is 2. The phase value of 2 is 2, and so on. This is same, and the phase value of 4 is 4, and the phase value of 3 is 3. So the phase value of a digit is its individual value itself. It means जो वैल्यू दी होती है उसकी फेस वैल्यू क्या होती है, खुद ही वही नंबर होता है. क्लियर है? नाउ नेक्स्ट द प्लेस वैल्यू. व्हाट इज प्लेस वैल्यू? The place value of a digit, the place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Position in the number. Okay. For example, what is the place value of the digit 3425? The place value of digit 5 is the place value of 5 is ones place पर है, that is 5. Ones, that is 5. Okay. Now the place value of 2 is tens place, that is 2 into 10, 20, and 4 is 100 place, then 4 into 100, 400. 3 is 1000 place, then 3 into 1000, 3000. Another example. If 5, 6, 4, 8, 2. What is the place value of the digit is 5, 6, 4, 2. 2. 2 is what place? 1's place. 2 into 1, 2. And 8 is 10 place. 8 into 10, 80. And 4 is 100 place. 4 into 100, it means 400. 6 is 1000 place. 6 into 1000 equal to 6000. 5 is 10,000 place. It means 50,000. Okay. Also formula, phase value into place. Phase value in 2 and place is 1's place into 1. Phase value is 8 and place is 10's place into 10. 8 into 10, 80. Phase value is 4 and into 1's 10's 100 place. Here is 100. 4 into 100 we get 400. Phase value is 6 is 6. Place is 1's 10's 100,000. 1000. 6 into 1000 we get 6000. Phase value of 5 is 5 and place is 10,000. 5 into 10,000 equal to 50,000. Okay, clear? So let's see the first question of your book in exercise 3. First question is write down the place value of the underlined digit. Six thousand and underline the digits 6. Okay. Let us see ones, tens, 100, 1000. Where 6 is 1000 place. 6 into 1000. We get 6000. What is the formula of place value? Phase value into place. Phase value is 6 and place is 1's, 10's, 100, 1000, 1000. 6 into 1000 equal to 6000. Okay. Next question. 2, 2, 9, 5. 9 is 10's place. What is the formula? Phase value 9. 9 is phase value of 9. 9 into place 1's 10's. 9 into 10 equal 90. Okay. Next. 30, 100. 3 is face value 3 itself, and place is 100. 3 into 100 we get 300. Okay. Next 4056. 0. The face value of the digit 0 is 0, and place is 1s, 10s, 100. 0 into 100 we get 0. ओके, क्लियर? अब आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा। तो जो इसके सभी पार्ट्स बचे हुए हैं वो आपको होमवर्क में करना है। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, मेक नंबर्स विथ द 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000 given. Okay. First question. Make number with the 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000 given. Now the first question. Five 1s, 6 10s, 3000, 400. You know that draw place value chart. What is here? 1s, then 10s, 100 and 1000. Then firstly 5 1s place, and 10s place is 6, 100 place is 4, 1000 place is 3. How can we read? 3465. Okay. Next part. One 1000, 4 10s, 6 1s, 200. We know that children, सबसे पहले प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में क्या आता है? 1s. इट मीन्स 1s वैल्यू क्या दी है आपको? 6. अगेन 10s वैल्यू 4, 100, 2001. It means 1246. Next. 1000, 300, 110, 5 ones. Here is ones, tens, 100, 1000. 5, 1, 100, 3,000, 2, 2,350. 2 ones, 8,000. 300. 1s, 10s is here, no, it means 0. 100, 3,000, 8, 8,302. Next, nine tens, 3 ones, 6,000, 300. Okay. First 3 ones, फिर tens, फिर 100 and then 1000. 6,393. $200, 6,000, 7 ones, 6 tens. What is here? 7, 6, 2, 6. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 6,267. Okay. So children, it is clear, and some parts are homework. इट मीन्स आपको अच्छे से ये समझ में आ गया होगा, और जो बचे हुए क्वेश्चन है वो आप होमवर्क में करिएगा. ओके. जब आपके स्कूल्स खुलेंगे तो सारी कॉपियाँ आपकी चेक होंगी, और जिन बच्चों के पास बुक नहीं है वो स्कूल से बुक ले लीजिए. So children, today class 3rd, that's why this ends. Tomorrow we'll meet again with new exercise 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.